Stanza Living's Teresina house could be your next home. The location of this residence in Koramangala is absolutely perfect for a lively time. With millions of things to do around, like visiting Lakshmi and Balaji Theatre or hanging out at the Varekare Park, you're never going to get bored. Walk into the building where you will pass through a multi-tier security system. Smile, you're on camera. This space also allows for a covered parking area. Head up in the elevator and find yourself in the corridor which has a water station. Now these aren't your usual PG style bedrooms. Instead, what you are signing up for is an entire apartment. Cupboard space, study table, come along with the common area, the kitchen fitted with a microwave, hot plate and fridge, as well as your cozy and furnished bedrooms. Beds as well as your very own personal TV come along with this bedroom. Each apartment comes with a high-speed Wi-Fi connection, with all the amenities including 24/7 hot water. Each apartment has a washroom. Up on the beautiful, open, spacious terrace, hang out and enjoy the sunset and view. Teresina House is a definite favorite, so pack your bags and come on here.